It didn't move, it just looked real.
Rolling.
This says...
It doesn't know. Because it's rolling on computer.
This is our newest house guest. He came in before everybody who's coming tonight, so I think he might claim somebody's bed. I think maybe he gets the couch instead of Vicky. Hello! It's a lizard. We cleaned out our backyard and he got scared into the house. And he was living under our dishwasher. Uh-oh, Chris is gonna get him. Don't be scared, little friend. You'll be alright. We had to chase Stuart away from him. Stuart wanted a snack. What are you doing with that?
Sort of blocking it.
Oh. Should I turn this off so I can help you?
No.
I could get a bigger box.
No.
I don't think he's gonna move. He looks kind of scared. Poor little lizard. Yeah. Oh! Ah! Did you get him?
No.
Uh-oh.
I do need help.
Okay.
Tail traps.